Hi friends, in this video, I'll show you to change the default SMS app on your Android phone. Whether you've installed a new messaging app like Google Messages or another SMS application, Android lets you choose which app handles your text messages by default. The process only takes a minute and works on most Android devices, although some menu names may vary slightly depending on your phone's manufacturer and Android version. To get started, open the Settings app on your Android device. Scroll down and tap Apps. On some phones, this option may be called Apps and Notifications. Inside the Apps menu, look for Default Apps and tap on it to manage the apps your phone uses for common tasks. Next, find the option labeled SMS app or Messaging app and tap it. You'll now see a list of all the messaging apps installed on your device that support SMS and MMS messages. Simply select the app you want to use as your default messaging application. Once selected, Android will automatically switch to that app for sending and receiving text messages. Keep in mind that changing the default SMS app does not delete your messages. Most modern messaging apps will automatically import or display your existing SMS conversations. However, features such as spam protection, message organization, RCS chats, or backup options may differ depending on the app you choose. If you ever want to switch back, just follow the same steps and select a different messaging app. Your support means a lot. Subscribe for more Android tips.